This is CBC Television, Best of the Box.
On our next breakaway, your ears will perk up with the harmonic, symphonic, VSwede.
Coming up on the Sci-Fi Channel.
Don't miss brand new Stargate Atlantis later. Some old friends return, and there's some nice juicy twists.
The following movie has been rated R by the Motion Picture Association of America. It is intended for mature audiences.
Becca's the target of Justin's attention, and she's not pleased. Hollyoaks is in half an hour. First on 4, I bet it's Marge on the Slotties.
Oh, with all this conspiracy and corruption, we were all busy watching that film, and someone's pinched their hands on our clock. Would you mind putting them back now, please? Thank you, that's better.
Satellite network, this is Sky One.
A wild new channel all across Europe. Cartoon Network. Right here, right now.
Aren't you glad you got your Nickelodeon? Aren't you glad you got your Nickelodeon? Aren't you glad you watch it?
This is Carlton Television from London, part of ITV1.
Later on ITV2, there's Coronation Street and Club Reps Uncut.
Now on 4, the party's non-stop and full-on in Around the World in 80 Raves. Bex and Joe will be online for a chat after the program.
En bröstkirurg och en plastikkirurg finns på plats eftersom det ju handlar om bröst och bröstproblem.
Good evening and welcome to BBC4. In just a moment, the raw operatic talent of South Africa's townships is harnessed in a breathtaking production of Carmen.
All fired up for the new series now on BBC Two. Our moody millionaires are back, flame grilling more lambs to the slaughter in the Dragon's Den.
You're watching the Christian Channel. Jesus is Lord of the Airwaves.
You're watching HBO, America's leading pay TV network.
Magic keeps on growing, NBC. Our pride is showing. Sex so funny. Sex so funny. Baby, you want me.
Send the word vote, followed by the 3-digit number.
It's not your normal paranormal. It's Ghost Hunters, part of the all-new Sci-Fi Wednesday. This Wednesday at 9.
This is CBC Television, Best of the Box.
On our next breakaway, your ears will perk up with the harmonic, symphonic, VSwede.
Coming up on the Sci-Fi Channel.
Don't miss brand new Stargate Atlantis later. Some old friends return, and there's some nice juicy twists.
The following movie has been rated R by the Motion Picture Association of America. It is intended for mature audiences.
Becca's the target of Justin's attention, and she's not pleased. Hollyoaks is in half an hour. First on 4, I bet it's Marge on the slotties.
Oh, with all this conspiracy and corruption, we were all busy watching that film, and someone's pinched their hands on our clock. Would you mind putting them back now, please? Thank you, that's better.
From the Sky Satellite Network, this is Sky One.
A wild new channel all across Europe. Cartoon Network. Right here, right now.
Aren't you glad you...
Wow. It's him. It is me. Can you believe it? Dang, I can't believe it myself.
I cannot believe.
I cannot believe this. How are y'all doing today? I'm chilling. I've actually been shopping like books and shit with my dad. We went to a bookstore because they had a major sale, and we picked up some banger reads. And now, just because I could, I got myself a fucking kanelbulle, a cinnamon roll. Big as fuck. It's delicious.
Kanelbullar.
It's gonna get messy this stream, so that is what it is. It might get messy because I'm gonna have to program in something that I haven't actually planned out a lot. Like, I have an idea in my head how I want it to work, and I'm pretty certain that I can get it to work. But,
well, anyway, welcome to this funky little dev stream.
Yes, this is what's gonna make it exciting. Last week, I mostly worked on T1000, so I thought, this week, let's get back to doing some JKR stuff.
JKR funnies.
Yes, indeed, JKR funnies. I'm sliding out of screen. I'm disappearing. Goodbye. No, that's the plan is to work on a potential stealth feature, a hiding feature specifically. So the plan is that sometimes you're getting chased down by a security bot or potentially even a roof turret, and you want to try to hide away a little bit to avoid getting spotted and stuff like that, and to get them off your back. But you can't really hide under tables because if they see you, they're still going to spot you. But I want to potentially rework that a little bit, so that when you actually hide under something like a table, or in some sort of area where you're likely to be less visible to the enemy, you can potentially be hidden, and it'll let you know that you're hidden, and that allows you to essentially hide from the enemy. And even if they look at you, you won't be spotted so long as you stay in that spot. Now, obviously, there's an exception where, if they spot you going into a hiding spot, then obviously they should be like, oh no, I see you're in there, so it's like, bang. And that's the plan.
Bang, bang.
Yes. Thank you for the hydrate, Azura. I got myself a big thing of pep tonight. I got my big thing of pep. So I'm going to sip. But that's the plan, essentially. It's to have a feature that allows you to essentially, if you want to stealth around some of the areas of the game, you absolutely can. That's the plan. Jesus Christ. Every time I fucking take a sip of this, I want to vomit. Not vomit, but... Yeah, I want to do... That would be really, really, really bad. So I don't think people would like it. I don't think people would like hearing that. Here we go. Alright. But I can show you all the Trello and how it looks. It's all in Swedish. It is completely in Swedish, but it essentially translates to hiding function. Player can hide from enemies that haven't spotted the enemy yet, the player yet, under, for example, tables. And that's what I kind of want to work on. So off stream, I've been working on how the UI for this should kind of work. It's not fully set up yet because I haven't coded anything in yet. But I have a potential idea for this. So obviously if you're hiding, it'll show hiding. But if you've been spotted, it'll go, oh
shit!
It'll go red, and then it'll switch to what is instead this, and then this, and then
basically just goes, oh shit!
This, it goes spotted. And that's how that's pretty much gonna look. But yes, that's the game plan. Notice something really funky about high-speed wall running? Oh no. Have you found another potential way of fucking up the game again? What have you found now? You can kind of see us surf the walls due to the magnetism. Due to the magnetism? Yo, see us surfing in JKR? Yo, if there ever are gonna be like surf maps for the game, my life is complete. If that's the case. If you can do like surf maps and just keep running, that would be really fucking funny.
That would be just fucking.
Mm-hmm.
About to remake CS:GO surfing, but in JKR.
Yeah,
Ooh.
fuck that. Yeah, absolutely. I got a question on my socials about whether you could potentially make like Portal Lake levels, and I'm thinking the plan is to have a custom level editor and potentially like abilities to add custom models and textures, potentially. Even more breaking JKR Azure Edition. You've been on a spree of that shit. What the fuck? I knew the upgrades was a mistake. Well, not really, but like in that sense, it was a mistake. No, that was a mistake on my part. But they are pretty great. They are pretty great. Well, yeah, I guess I should just get started. First, I want to get the basic. Like UI stuff, and then the sort of visibility stuff, the high vis and stuff like that. And what I'm thinking is that everything is going to be connected to the player controller, potentially. There's a bunch of stuff for the player. You have the player controller itself. I can, by the way, show y'all how big the script for the player controller is. I've forgotten to open up Visual Studio. This might take a little bit.
Oh, fun.
You have to open up Visual Studio every time you want to edit scripts or have it open in the background. So otherwise, it's going to take a little while to read.
It's going to take a bit.
Have some fucking Jeopardy music. Dun, 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 dun.
Now for the $1 million
Scanning new
question.
and updated MEF. Yeah. Composing MEF graph. We're making graphs. Loading projects. Has to open up everything specific here. Here we go. Come on. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me. Come on. I want it. You see, this is what I mean. This can take like a good minute. Oh. Yay! Here we go. Let me show y'all how big the script for controlling the player is. So we start up here, right? Check your DMs when you have the chance. All right. Here. Look at that. Look at all that. Okay. So even for just the first like 300, like 250, 300 lines is just for setting up variables. And then we get to the functions. Nice and tasty. 1,200 lines. Let's go. Oh, this is okay. This is what my man's talking about. I'm checking what he. Oh man. Okay, that's really cool.
Wait, what?
This is really weird. Don't dox yourself, of course. Yes. That is really fun.
I am confusion.
Has he sent you the thing as well?
No.
No, he hasn't. All right. I'm going to download this so then I can show y'all on stream. Look at this. Look at this. 2, 3, 4. And then look how he twists and turns. I knew that was possible, but like, holy shit. Yeah. No, that's a valid way to play. I think that's really fucking cool. Yeah?
No, Azura just accidentally sent me the fucking link to your Twitch.
Oh, did he?
Yes.
5 years now, if you join. On multiple things. But yeah, so that's how long the script for the player controller is. And then you have the health manager, you have the stamina handler, you have player interaction, player sound manager, 2 event emitters for specific audio in the game. By the way, for sound in Fmod, you play fuck it, I am dubbing it wall surf. He's coining terms left, right, center. Oh man. But yeah,
so cool new terms.
But yeah, so that's the plan, pretty much. I do handle UI as well in the. Oh, maybe I don't in the player controller. Hold on. No, surely I do. I'm thinking. Or maybe I don't. Brand new. And you said you were scared of me breaking the game. I am. I'm just suppressing it. I'm coping, as the cool kids say. I am hella coping. I know it's player UI. That's what it is. Yeah, because this has access to the player controller itself. So it doesn't have to worry about any particular
funnies.
Any funnies, yes. But no, so I should handle that in the player UI. That I should do. What I'm thinking is I might want to handle the hiding functionality potentially either in the player controller or as a separate script. Because what I need to do is take into account where the player physically is. Because the idea I have is for certain props, like these tables, for example, to have zones under them or have what are known as triggers, so that if the player is inside here and hiding under here, the trigger goes like, okay, the player is down here, so therefore the player should be hiding if it hasn't been spotted, or if they haven't been spotted. I just refer to the player as as the object. But yeah, so that's essentially how that should work. And most of these are prefabs, so I can just add a zone to the prefab, and then for every single instance of these tables, it should just appear.
Updates.
Yeah, it should just update and appear, which is cool. But yeah, that's the plan. So I'm gonna go back. Probably I don't really need to be down here anyways, but I just want to select the player controller. I probably want to attach this as a script, because I think that might be the best way to handle that. And just put that as the player body. Yes, but okay. I'm going to... Vic, what is it now? As I see you in chat. What's up? I got a better example of wall surfing. Oh, do you now? Do you know? I am so glad.
Oh boy.
I'm so happy. But I'm gonna start adding the script. AI and enemies. No, I might want to put this into player. At least this bit. That's what I probably should do. Hiding system. Do that as a script. And we shall get this pumping. Pump up the jam. Pump it up. Pump it up. You'll pump it. Now it has to compile script as well.
Funky.
Oh, yep. He sent me another one. Give me a moment to download this, and we shall see how scuffed it is. It's probably even worse than it was before. Let's see this. Yep. I see what you mean. That's pretty good. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Fuck it out. Alright. Anyways, let's get to work on this shit. Shall we? Why is that frozen? I couldn't click into the console for a second. That was weird. But I should attach this to the player and apply to the prefab.
Damn.
There we go. I didn't even open it. What the fuck? Here we go. So now this is a blank canvas, ladies and gentlemen. This is a blank canvas. We can do whatever we want to this canvas, so long as it is code. Can't really paint. If I ever give this to the better runners, they'd break your game a lot faster than me. Hey, I've shown it on stream already. It's kind of public information now. Come on.
Why can't we fucking paint?
Do it!
Bruh.
Words can be art too, Dank. Words can be art.
Big sad.
Look at a book. I went shopping for books with Dada. Because they were on sale. I hate that I call them Dada. Alright. I want to start... Kringe. I should probably double check real quick. Just want to check a little thing. Because it has the player body. Here we go. Oh shit, I searched the entire solution. No. Just the current project. Here we go. And then find all. Is that really all? The only time that appears in the player controller? Cool. I'm gonna check the entire solution then and see how I use it. Though, what the fuck? Or do I call it body? That would be a little weird if I just called it that. I guess does it appear as body? No, it appears as player body. I guess it just never needs to be used. No, because it's on a layer called player. On a layer called player.
Yeah.
Yo, the player layer.
Layer.
I have points to waste. Yes, you do, Varrock. You do. Oh, okay. He has redeemed the classic cap, which means, give me a moment. I have prepped for this. I am going to be wearing this for an indefinite period amount of time, which is until the stream ends or until someone else redeems another cap. Which isn't this one. Although if you do redeem for this one, I will just keep it on. Alright, we're going to get to work. Drip. Wait, do I have the drip?
Yes.
Nice. Yeah, I decided to just wear the vest because I went out previously and I went shopping for some books. I thought, I'm going to look stylish and sleek while I'm in there. Now that's looking pretty good today. Hey, I'm fitted up. So should I stop running? Oh, no, Burb. Please keep running. That's the game entails. Ashra is cooking. What are you cooking? Some fresh beef. So you should not stop running, but you can run it more slowly. That's the plan. Now, but I'm deciding to add, for everyone else who is joining right now who want to know what I'm working on some potential stealth features for the game, which includes a hiding thing. You can see if I go in here, I'm already working a little bit on the UI. But essentially the plan is, it's a basic thing essentially where if you hide, for example, under a table or something like this, so long as an enemy, like the roof turret or the security bot, hasn't spotted you entering the hiding spot, you will go into hiding. So even if they go over here and check this area, you will not be spotted. Which is just a little useful thing for players who prefer to like sneak and stuff like that, especially since I see Let's Players sometimes want to go under the table to try to avoid getting absolutely pepper blasted, but still getting spotted and shot at. And that's the sort of plan.
Victor.
Yep.
Just had an idea for the stealth thing.
Oh, good. Dank has an idea. What's that?
There should be at the end score.
Yeah.
When you complete the game, without getting spotted at all. It should just say undetected.
A little bonus. I might
Yeah.
I might potentially do something like that at some point, maybe. I know I'm gonna do it for T1000, like a little bonus depending on if you go fully loud or
Undetected
fully
ninja.
stealth. Yeah. Oh god, now I'm getting a lot of long messages. You should add a bird model for real for it. Yo, bird, I should at some point.
A bird model.
So here's
New
a
secret.
Yes. Here's a fun little thing. You can hug the wall as long as you're at the start of a wall running arch going upwards. You don't have to worry about not being able to jump, as it is entirely dependent on if you have the W key registered. Yes, exactly. Yeah. No, that's entirely how that works, which is solid that you figured that out. Hear me out. Skinny jeans and any white Nikes would probably suit you amazingly well. Maybe a thin necklace, possibly gold. As for the hiding spots, why not make it an area that can be reduced or enlarged? Or am I being dumb? An area that can be reduced or enlarged.
What about the fucking slide in?
What do you mean by why would you want to reduce or enlarge the hiding spots? If I may ask. I guess maybe you could do that as an upgrade. Just make those spots a little larger so that you don't have to go in as far to go into hiding, which you could do. But yeah, I'm gonna start working because I've gotten hella distracted. I don't know, just thinking out loud is all. You're thinking in words.
Upgrade description for that fucking dingy hitbox of the hiding behind under the desk.
Thick boy, thick boy upgrade.
Somehow the R&D department magically have extended the reach of the fucking hitbox.
Yeah. Wait, that's exactly how that works. Well, I might want to add another one. You can also let go of the W key mid-high speed wall run and get extra frames to allow after wall jump. You can buffer it if you want to curve or wall surf properly. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Anyways, I'm going to get working on that. So I have the hiding system. So what I'm thinking is I should also have a thing I believe I should have it in triggers and stage elements. And I'm going to have a little thing that says hiding spot. And the hiding spot will have to have I don't even know the code, but I figured that out through feel. Yeah. You know, sometimes it do be like that. Huh? All right. But yeah, so I have the hiding system and then the hiding spots. When the hell could I do that? It's feel. It's figuring out the game. That's all it is. And you're a big genius for that. You're a big one. You're a biggie. You're a big G. Big G. All right. Anyways, I'm going to get onto it. So for the hiding spots, I'm imagining... I'm going to use this desk as an example. And here, you want to essentially add... I'm going to add an empty object. I'm going to say hiding spots. And it's going to extend... I'm going to... maybe that should have more of a reach, maybe. But essentially, I want to add a layer called hiding spot. So if the player collides with a hiding spot, it should essentially just... it should detect, oh, you're trying to hide. Let's figure this out, essentially. That's the plan. There should be a little text after each time you stealth that just says, it's called just keep running for a reason. Yeah, just pepper them on like, come on, speed up. Nah, man. It would be funny. But obviously, I want to try to adjust it for as many people as I can. And some people just want to stealth, you know? Some people want to stealth. Bully the players? Yeah, exactly. I searched up Bex instead of Box. I'm so good. I'm so good. Is a trigger. And that should be about... I presume you'd have to be hiding under here to hide. So I'm going to have that... I think the box should be about... I mean, obviously this will be readjusted, but somewhere around like that, I think. That should be fine. I should probably also add a tag, which says hiding spot. Here we go. Cool. I think I've got that in the bag. Aye, nice. I should probably say this should have a require component type of collider. Here we go. The only thing is, wouldn't the player clip into the trash bin or share? I mean, the player can clip through the trash bin, not the share. But that I don't see how that is necessarily so long as the player doesn't, try to run into the thing, or that they shouldn't be getting stuck.
Accidentally actually gets fucking stuck.
Yeah, because the plan is like you can crouch under here and then hide under here, and then you're hiding, and then you can walk out or slide out, and then you're obviously out of there. It's not like you're press E to hide. Whoa. It's not like a Alien Isolation thing. No, that one should be accessible through here, I believe. Yeah, or through here. Yeah, because the trash can doesn't have physics. Because otherwise, you would get stuck on random shit, and you'd be like, "Why the fuck? Why?"
Okay, and we'll be needing to go AFK.
Sounds good. I'll be all alone.
All alone.
Oh, I'm so scared. All right.
All alone
alone.
on a Friday night.
Public collider. Hiding. Collision. There we go. I thought the trash bin had a physical form. That's why I was concerned. No. For the trash bins specifically, they've been the collisions are intentionally turned off on those. I believe. Fucking hell. Compiling shaders. If I go into here, the mesh collider that would normally be there is turned off. So that means essentially that even if you run into it, there's no collision happening there. And that's to avoid stuff like the player or keycards randomly getting stuck on those. Which can happen sometimes, which is annoying. So that's why that's off. So it's just more there for decoration and sort of design rather than to actually be some sort of obstacle. But yes. So what I'm thinking is either the hiding spot detects if the player is colliding with them and then sends some sort of signal or event. Otherwise, what can also be done potentially, since it has a tag and not a layer, now it has a layer. Since it has a tag and a layer that says hiding spot, the player character's collision can look for if it's colliding with something that has either the tag or the layer, and then what can then be done is, obviously, either way I do this, it'll trigger the hiding. And depending on certain things, it'll, do one thing or the other. So if you've entered a hiding spot without being spotted yourself going into the spot, then obviously you haven't been spotted, so you're hiding normally. And they won't suspect that you're there. But if they have seen you go into that spot, you've already been spotted, and they won't care, because obviously they've seen that you've gone in here. So that don't work. If they've spotted you going into the spot, essentially, it's useless. But if you manage to get away from them and then hide into the spot, they won't know that you're there. They're completely oblivious to you. So that's the plan. I just want to figure out how I want to go about this. But first, in the hiding system, what it should have is, obviously it should have a collider, which is the player collider. Sorry, I've gotten so used to, even here. I've gotten so used to to the way of typing variables in Godot and GDScript, which is typically all lowercase and then underscores to represent spaces, while here it is all underscore unless there's like a space between certain words. That's when you do a uppercase symbol or letter. And that is, it's confusing, but you get used to it. But yeah, so it's going to have the player collider itself, so it can check for collision. And I'm thinking the idea is that I should probably also do... I should have a static bool, so that no matter where you're accessing the hiding system from, there's only going to be one hiding system which is connected to the player. And there should only be one player in the level at a time. Unless you've somehow managed to clone yourself, which isn't possible for all I know. Who knows? Maybe with a bit of luck, you can clone yourself and just keep running. But yeah, so is hiding. And then another static bool was spotted. I'll find a way to clone myself. You probably will. Is hiding was spotted hiding. And I mistyped there. So there's two bools that's checking if the player is in a hiding spot, and if the player was spotted entering a hiding spot. So if they were spotted, this is null and void, pretty much. I'll just input up, down, left, right, BSR. Hey, the classic Konami code actually probably is the way to go about that. Might be the way to go about that. That might potentially trigger it. Try it. Try it. If that doesn't work, by the way, you can do Alt F4 and just keep running, and it should happen. Potentially. That's all I've heard. By the way, eating a cinnamon roll that I had, which is delicious. You need to snack sometimes when you're working hard. Well, working hard. I've only just now started. I worked a little bit before stream on some T1000 stuff, which I won't go into yet, but yeah. I might do another T1000 stream at some point this week, or next week at least. I'll definitely be doing it next week. That's what I'm going to be focusing on, I believe, sprite work. That would be one hell of an Easter egg. Quote, if you enter the Konami code, you clone yourself. Bro, would be. Would be. It would be. I know one told me to hydrate, but I'm going to keep myself hydrated either way. Because I'm a good boy like that. I remember to hydrate, and I remind others to hydrate as well. Hell yeah. Anyways, yeah, that should be the plan. So, what I'm thinking is, player collider. What do we potentially have here that I can work? Is trigger, stuff like that. Get component. So what I'm thinking is, obviously, if the hiding spot is potentially colliding with... I have an idea for the hiding spots. If the hiding collision detects that it is colliding with a player, it can essentially trigger it can potentially trigger a static. I'm trying to find the right word. A static function. I should explain what static means as well in programming. But unless that's super fucking boring. But static it's a sort of the static is a modifier that you can add to a variable to make it a static variable of some sort. It belongs to the type of itself. It essentially means that there is one instance of that variable that is shared across all versions of what is, for here, the hiding system. So no matter if there are multiple instances of the hiding system in place, they'll still share the same value of this one variable, essentially. And that can mean, like, if all of them need to store some similar information altogether, then it should... I'm also going to zoom in the code a little bit so y'all can see in better detail. It essentially means... it essentially means that if all versions of the hiding system need to store one single variable, altogether. That needs to be the same depending, no matter what version of the hiding system it is. You can do that, and it also makes accessing certain stuff of the it makes accessing the variable of that very easy. For if you want to access something from the hiding system, normally you would have to get the instance of that hiding system, so the one that's currently in the game world. But if you want to get a specific thing that is shared across all instances of the hiding system, you can do just hiding system dot is hiding. And no matter what instance, or if it's just static or non-static, it'll get the same value. Oh, that's so dope. Yeah. I just saw the Borderlands trailer. It's as terrible as expected. Claptrap is semi-okay thanks to Jack's acting, but they wrote a script that doesn't fit him. Oh, this is about the movie. This is about the movie. Did the trailer for that come out? I should probably watch that. Because me and... Oh, by the way, ad starting soon, so I should probably wait a little bit. But, yeah, I mean, me and Robin tried to look through what video game movies was coming out, because there's a huge... Yeah, I'm just a surprise, Burb. Ads. Ads. I'm gonna say it myself. Say it myself. I'm gonna just keep coding. But yeah, when I get back from the ad, we should watch it. We probably should. We probably should. But yeah, so me and Robin, I'll say this for the VOD. Me and Robin, I might re-explain it once the ad is gone. But me and Robin essentially, what we did, we looked through the Wikipedia. List of video game movies that had not only come out but that are expected to release, and we hyped ourselves up so much because we see like Borderlands, and I'm just like, oh, that could work, and then you see like other classic like I'm back. You see other classic like video game franchises that you think, oh, that would work great as a movie, and one of them was like Borderlands. So, the fact that you think that the trailer sucks ass, oh, it hurts. It hurts. Me, Max, and Robin went to see the FNAF movie when it came out in theaters. And I'm going to be honest, I actually quite liked the movie. It wasn't obviously like super canon, but they told the plot in a way that I think was actually kind of good. FNAF was dope. Yeah, I think the movie was actually pretty good. When I saw it, like not super scary. Like there were a few moments where I was like even scared. Like some jump scares, like but like it's some like cool drama and shit. And I think they had a way of explaining the lore, especially to like newcomers, in a way that was actually pretty decent, actually. Yeah. So no, I liked it. I liked it. Anyways, let's get to it. So what I'm thinking is, yeah, I should have a static function here. I'll BRB. Go ahead, Burb. But I will have a public static void hiding. There we go. To summarize, Lilith is a skeleton brought back from a closet that was lost in the 1450s. Kevin Hart is playing Kevin Hart, Roland. Tina doesn't exist and is just a stuck-up teen. And Tannis doesn't have Asperger's whatsoever and is simply just rude. Right. Fair enough. Burb had the potential idea of watching the trailer. So I want to see if I can get this working at least. And if there's time by the end of the stream, I might actually watch that. Because I don't want to get DMCA'd. But, you know, it's worth the risk. I've only now gotten affiliate, so I don't want to... I don't want to lose my affiliate privileges. You know what I mean? Alright. But yeah, I should probably... I'm thinking... I need to remember how collisions like that work. So I'm going to do research real quick. So I'm going to look up the Unity 3D... manual, or I guess manual. Yeah, documentation. Here we go. Collider. Just to double check and make sure I'm not being a complete and utter fucking idiot. So it's not Collider 2D that I need, but I need regular colliders. Okay, that's just 2D game development. I need Unity, Collider, docs. Here we go. Script and docs. Just so that, yeah, here we go. On collision, enter and stuff like that. Yeah, makes sense. Heaven smiles above me. Yeah, void on, collision, enter, yeah. Makes sense. Yeah, and since it is since the script is going to be attached to something that has to an object that has the collider in it, yeah, that makes sense. So on trigger stay could be also a good way of doing that potentially. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to do on trigger stay. If other and tag, I'm going to compare tag because I believe the player, if I'm not mistaken, the player should have a tag on it. Yeah, player. Compare tag. Player. And if that's the case, what it should tell the hiding system. Do hiding. I need room. All right. Here we go. So what I'm thinking is now that it's calling this script, what should be happening is that oh yeah, I also need to make sure that it's doing a check to see if any of the enemies in the level is currently, if their state is targeting. I have an idea for how to potentially pull this off, because I don't think there's there's not a thing yet to tell if the player is being targeted. But I have a potential solution for this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into AI and Animates real quick and boot up the roof turret and the security bot scripts here, so we can work on these. Because you can see all of them have states which include targeting. So what I'm thinking is whenever the state is set to targeting, it should also then tell the sort of game tools that the player is being targeted at the moment, no matter which one it is. All right. And then the plan is that it does it for every single one. So even if one of them kind of if one of them hasn't spotted the player but another one does, it doesn't matter. It still means that this will stay on. Or if one enemy has spotted the player but one hasn't, it will still say that the player has been spotted. And that's sort of the plan. So here it's setting the state to targeting. So whenever it does that,
returned.
Welcome back. I'm gonna have a thing in the game tools, which essentially tells the game if the player has been spotted. So I'm gonna have this here. Enemies, and I'm gonna have a public static bool player spotted. Set to true if any enemy has spotted player, otherwise set to false. Here we go. And then I'm gonna go to the roof turrets, and I'm gonna go yeah, I'm gonna do this. So what I'm thinking is Sorry, I just had to think for a second. Okay. Sorry. Sometimes this might happen where I just have to sit and think, and I'm just gonna be real fucking quiet. See, this is concentrating on my work, though. Concentrating on my work. I'm just trying to think in my head how I should pull this off. But yeah, I should actually do this down here in the state check. So if current state is equal to roof turret state targeting countless lovers undercover on the street. I'm gonna actually shut off some of these so that they don't get in the way. There's a lot of scripts. Player UI is gonna be useful later on, but I'm gonna mostly close these down so that it doesn't get super cluttered either. So you don't want that. You don't want that. Here we go. Now it's just these. But yes. Okay. Yeah, if the current state is roof turret state, it should set the game tools hold on. Player spotted. Set it to true. Else should set it to set it to false. I obviously want to make sure there are no other exceptions to it. What I could do. I have an idea. Thank you, Winnows, I believe. Thank you for the follow. What I actually should do, now that I think about it, is I should probably have a count instead of how many turrets have actually spotted the player. And that could be the way to check. So I'm going to do int enemies spotted player. There you go. Counts how many enemies have currently spotted the player. There you go. And it sets it to it'll essentially add that to the counter. Enemy spotted player. Plus 1. Else minus equals 0. Okay. Obviously, I want to make sure that I think every frame this should set itself to 0. I think at least. So I'm actually going to go into the Game Master as well to make sure this is make sure I'm doing this correctly. Because otherwise it's just going to keep adding up and it won't reset at any point, which would be bad. Yeah, so every update, game tools, oh no, that might actually be a bad idea. Now that I think about it. See that here's the difficulty thing with trying to do this live on stream. I have ideas in my head on how I want this system to work, but I gave myself the challenge of not trying to come up with, unless I come up with them in my head, not try to come up with potential solutions or design potential solutions, because I think it would make for a funnier stream and a longer stream if I don't plan this ahead in time. And that's why I do this. But no, I think that's a bad idea, I think. What I should possibly be doing instead is there should be an array of enemies in the world, right? And then for each enemy, check obviously how many times that enemy, how many of those enemies are in the targeting state. And then if that count is above some certain, thing, then it should set player has been spotted. That's what I'm thinking, at least. So I could have this, but I need something else in the potentially the level manager that checks how many enemies are actually in the world. So it's communicating through a lot of systems, but it is what it is. But so the level manager might be the smartest thing smartest way to do it. Not only does it manage everything else about the level, including some things about the enemies, but it also handles. It should communicate with a majority of the systems already, so it should be relatively simple to sort out. And it is a singleton, so you can get the instance of that level manager. So that should work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a public get private set list of potential of enemies in the world. Public. There is balls? Sorry, there is balls? Balls.
Ball.
We ballin' now, baby. All right. But what I should do is public roof turrets. Oh, hold on. Is it not connected to that? Oh no, it ain't. Because it can't do that. What I have instead then is game tools done. Here we go. Or Game Master. Either or, I think, should be fine. Yep, so it awakes. And on this right, fix update. There we go. So it loads the scene. Okay. So that might be so that might not work exactly either, because this has to do with how the scripts communicate with each other, because I'm using assembly definitions, which can get a little messy, but it's also there to make sure you optimize your code as best as you can. So I'm trying to think. Oh my goodness. What a kind sir. What a kind ma'am. In fact, even. Thank you so much, Aria. Thank you so much, Souls, for the tier 1 sub. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Didn't have to, but thank you. Gotta support my homie. Hey. It is what it is. It is what it is. Thank you so much for that. Alright. So what I'm trying to figure out now, for context, is how to count. Huh? I need to figure out how to, there should be at least a check to see if the player's being targeted by any enemy in the world. And that variable should, be translated across multiple enemies and multiple systems. And that should be communicated across systems. I'm just trying to figure out how, with the sort of assembly definition structure I have, I can be able to pull this off. But yeah, I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. If you give me some time, I'll be able to do it. I'm back. What did I miss? I'm trying to figure out how to pull off stuff. I'm trying to figure out specifically now how I should communicate to. I want there to be a count of how many enemies have spotted the player. I'm just trying to figure out how to do that.
How to do it?
Yeah. Simply just go beep, beep, beep. Yeah, it's easy. Programming is so easy. When it comes to, like, it's so easy to fix bugs. You just have to press a single button, and it's just like, bug's free. It goes through the system, and it checks, this could be a bug, this is a bug, this is definitely a bug. And it fixes it easily. Like, every sort of connectivity issue and stuff like that, I mean, they're just being lazy at this point, not pressing a single button, you know? It's so easy. Programming is so fucking easy. Get like an FPS movement system thing already pre-built, and just that's how I made Apex. The patch control button, yeah. Average Unity developer. Fuck you, Aria. Of course, muted. Watching without audio. Since she is watching without audio, I'm gonna do this. All right. I think I got the message across. All right. I see it now in the preview. That's really funny.
Also, the one thing I have now noticed is that there's 2 founders.
Yeah?
Me and Aria.
Have you thought about getting VSwede? I try. Could you say that louder? Yeah. Yeah, sorry. Fuck you. All right.
Blood fucking spoke so at the highest pitch possible that you couldn't even hear it.
Yippee! Yeah. I literally spoke.
It says yippee at the highest pitch. You couldn't hear. Oh, sorry, say that again?
Sorry, say that again. Yippee! I spoke low caps.
Speaking so low that bats can't fucking hear.
Yeah, man.
Speaking so low it fucking hits the integer limit and just fucking rolls over.
Integer overflow. Yeah, you can actually have an integer
underflow.
You can actually have an integer underflow. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, you can actually have both an integer
balloon.
You know how when you like let the air out of a balloon slightly. Look in chat, dang.
I see that.
Fuck you. That's really funny. The small font. Is that even visible on the... No, it is. I checked the chat on stream to see if it was visible. Yeah, just barely visible. In the stream chat. That's really funny. And just because I want to spite Aria, here's a 1 minute 30-second ad.
Lol.
That's too big of text. Lol, give me money. Well, actually, it doesn't affect Aria at all because she's sub now.
Yeah,
so
and now you just fucking
yeah,
put a fucking ad.
No, sweet, I'll suffer. No. Too bad. Get better. Get good. Get good. Get good. What I could do otherwise, I could have it individually done for every single other roof turret.
My name is Stuart.
Thank you for the bit.
And I'm a writer in the Seattle area.
What did my man say?
I donate monthly to
yeah, taxes, by the way. Hey, thank you for paying your
taxes,
taxes, man. Thank you for paying the taxes. Yo, man, I need my taxes paid. I need my taxes paid. Sometimes, it's important to pay your taxes, guys. Don't do tax evasion. Don't pull a Jimmy Carr and do like tax fraud. Anyways, got a tip doc later. See you, Burb. Have a good one, Burb. Alright, I'm going to do... I should just do it individually for each roof turret, I think. So essentially, if they detect that the... Oh, what it can do, it can legitimately do an... It legitimately listen for an event. So when it goes into hiding, if they have spotted the player, then obviously that goes into effect. But if not, then that's fine. I think I've actually figured out how I can potentially do that. Funky. Is the small text like a? Of course, you have to pin the message. Is the small text like a custom Unicode thing?
I think so.
Yeah. What do you mean the train conductor hat? Let me show you. If you redeem 2,000 V-coins, you can force me to wear this tight fucking thing around my head. It's all retro as fuck. Retro as fuck. Looks good on my head. Looks good on my head. But yeah, so Varrock redeemed the cap, so that's why I'm wearing it. But if any of y'all redeem any other one of these, then I'm gonna have to wear it. Gotta keep watching them. You better. You better. Now that you're subbed, you can actually get channel points faster. So you better. Young boy better.
Young blood.
Young blood. All right. This is the plan. So I'm just going to get rid of this because this won't help me in my ventures. Bronkhampter Betwee. Yo, Bronkhampter has some bangers. Have you heard that they have a series of 3 albums called the Sabadenda Trilag? I believe that's called. I don't know. They've got bangers on there though. Real bangers. Okay. I should, instead of being a lazy...
Fucking about to go Hampter.
Instead of being a lazy boy, I'm going to legitimately do this. Is hiding.
Do funky.
I'm going to do a funky. Okay, so I'm going to do on trigger, enter. Hiding, enter. And then another one for exit. The opacity trilogy? Yeah, I believe. I believe that's what it's called. Yeah. There's some bangers on there. I'm trying to think. What else is a? I'm trying to think of some clever way of fucking up the ginger. Instead of ginger, what is it? Should be hops. They have an album called Hops, which is fantastic. Sad boy bangers. Brunette. Yes. Brunette is pretty good. Brunette is pretty good. We're making jokes about Brockhampton and their albums. Absolutely fucking up their names. On trigger, because me and Aria, we share that same music vibe. Sometimes we do. Hiding, exit. Although she apparently finds Demon Dice to be okay, which is, it should be a crime to like Demon Dice. Frankly. That was a joke. Sure it was. Sure it was. Equals true. And then hiding. Exit means this is false. And also was spotted hiding should also be false. Flatland drainage ditch. That wasn't that bad. The only good song I liked was Alcatraz. That wasn't that bad. Okay, so you did like Alcatraz. Yeah. Fair enough. You can like one song from them, at least. They probably have at least one good song. An entire album, though?
No.
Nah. I'm going to do a public... I also like Hobo Johnson. I haven't listened to Hobo Johnson, but I've heard it might... Some of it gets a little messy, and there's a lot of shit surrounding his sort of personal image, which I have yet to go into, but I've heard his back. It's joke rap. Yeah, makes sense. I'm going to do an event. On enter hiding. No, I think I fucked up how events work. It's been so long since I've started programming since I actually worked in C#. Not so long, but like I've last week I only worked on T1000, which is in Godot. So I'm completely out of my element. I need to double check events.
Funny.
Okay. No, that should be, if I do just system, should probably work fine. Dun, 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 dun. Da, 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 da. I got bangers on here. Give me a moment.
Bangers on bangers.
I'm doing some research in the background. Dun, 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 dun. I think it should just be this, I believe. My favorite Brunhamster album, Shimmering. Yo, Shimmering is such a vibe. Shimmering is so good, frankly. It's so good. Oh, how have I fucked up here? Oh, is that why? I mean, Oh, okay. Sorry, I'm a fucking idiot. Sorry. It's been a while since I've done events and delegates in C#, or just in general. It's in Unity. Should be an action. Here we go. Here we go. And then something needs to subscribe to on enter hiding, which is going to be the Roadrunner got turned into Crosswalker. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But yeah, so the enemy should subscribe to that thing. Should go to start, and then I'll go here, and then hiding system dot on enter hiding equal hiding check. I don't need this. I just need to have a function down here now. Void hiding check. So if sell fish, how much? Yo, I sell such good fish, my guy. Such good fish. I've got carps. I've got trouts. I've got all you can eat. Frankly, I have all you can eat. It's a buffet. It's a buffet. Yeah. So I'm gonna go if current state is equal router state targeting, then it should go to the hiding spot, not hiding spot, system, and then was spotted hiding equal true. So that means that if you were spotted hiding by one of these, then it is set to true. And I need to do this.
Ayo.
I need to make sure to do the same for... yeah. Hey, what the fuck? What do you do?
Where you go?
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing?
What the dog doing? I'll put it here as well. I believe here it doesn't use...
It's hitting the funny taunt animation.
What did you say?
The dog is hitting the funny taunt animation.
Oh no, you can actually die.
Okay.
Okay, I shall. Here we go.
Shank.
Shank. And then here in start, call this. Or subscribe to this. More realistically. Cool. So yeah, it should call that now. Okay, so hiding enter on enter hiding invoke. Ooh, I've invoked it now.
Invoke it by fifth.
I invoked it. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah, so no, that should actually work now. So so for the hiding spots, if the player enters a hiding spot, it'll tell the hiding system, okay, the player has gone into hiding, and then it'll set its hiding to true. Yeah, and then it will call a check with all enemies in the level to check if one of them has spotted the player. If they have, was spotted hiding is set to true as well. If they haven't, it's going to stay false. But yeah, so that essentially means that if you weren't spotted going into hiding, then you're fine. But if you were, you're fucked. But then if you exit the hiding spot, then obviously it also says that you exit. And that means that everything else here is just set to false. And that should hopefully work. I think from here I can also handle the UI, which is going to be cool. But yeah, so pretty much what should be happening is if I go into what I should be doing now, lastly, is going into every enemy here, which is the roof turret and the security bot. And during the check that it does to see if the target is visible, it should also take into account if they are hiding. So if the target is visible, and it's going to check two things at the same time. So it's going to check hiding system is hiding, and it's also going to check the hiding system just to check was spotted hiding. So if they weren't spotted hiding, oh my god, is that the weekend from? Oh my god! Now, sorry to people of the VOD channel, or just VODs in general, you won't be able to hear this, but yes, the weekend is playing in the background, and it is a bop.
You can see it on the top with the current song.
Yes, that you can do. That you can do. Why is it expecting? Oh, that's why. Sorry. Yeah. So if the player is visible, and it checks obviously to see here if is hiding is, why is it warning me? What is it warning me about here? I don't know if it's necessarily warning me, but these are grayed out. I guess that means, is that unnecessary? That seems like that needs to be a necessary thing. Remove unnecessary parentheses. No, I think that should be there, because it's checking two things at the same time. So it's checking if the player is hiding. Oh no,
And was not.
Never mind. Never mind. It should check if the player is not hiding.
Is not hiding, and
yeah. So if the player is not hiding, yeah. Here we go. So hiding system, yeah. So it should check if they're not hiding. Or actually, what it can do, so it should check if they are not hiding, or if they are hiding, but the hiding system has the was spotted hiding. So either they are not hiding, or they are hiding, but they haven't been spotted hiding. That's when they should be targeting. Otherwise, it should just stay like normal. Yeah, no, that makes sense. That makes sense. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the security bot and do the same thing. And hopefully that should just work. I wanna make you feel real nice. Here we go. Cool stuff, cool stuff. Okay, now I want to test this. I want to test this in a better level for this, actually. I want to test this in 2.1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that it's added to the prefab for the office desk, which means that every other office desk in this level now has a little hiding spot. And this is just to check that this actually works. I can actually test this with the with this thing, because I think normally, even if you're hiding under here, it should be able to spot you. But because of the hiding spot, you should be hidden, so long as you don't get spotted. So I can actually test it there. What I might have done is I've forgotten to apply the right things. And in fact, I have. I believe.
Well, shit.
Yeah, let me go in here real quick. Yeah, it needs the player collect. Oh wait, no, it doesn't. I don't think, because this doesn't use this. Yeah, it doesn't use this at all. So that is completely unnecessary. No need. No need. Just as long as it's there. Soul gravy. Dun, 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 dun. I just had it there because I thought it might potentially need that, but I don't think it does. And I believe the hiding spot doesn't need anything either. No, the hiding spot says it needs something. Oh, but it doesn't even need that collider either. So that's fine. So I put in those collider things for nothing, frankly, because that's not necessary at all. It's all built in. It's all built in. Either built in or not necessary at all to the process. Because that's being covered by something else already. But let's test this out. Ladies and gents, we're testing this out. We're testing it. We are doing a test. Testing, guys.
Whoop.
Still got errors about something. Oh, it's because of upgrades. Yeah, okay. That's fine. That can happen when debugging. I believe that's because I have upgrades on here, and that's why it's doing that. Yep. So let me just turn it off for now. Then next time around, it should hopefully not call that error. I believe that's how I sorted that out previously, at least. But yeah, for upgrades to carry across in the editor, at least, you have to start from the menu. Because that's when it calls in all the necessary stuff for that. Yep, and that avoided the issue entirely. Cool stuff. Alright, let's play the video game. So the UI is still going to stay there no matter what. We'll get to that soon. And eventually it'll properly tell you if you're hiding or not. But right now it's just kind of static. So technically, right now, I should be hiding. Just at the edge of it. And once the vision cone comes in here, look at that, I haven't been spotted, but if I go in here, I do get spotted. And you see, since I went in here, I'm getting spotted now as well. Because it spotted me going in there. Let's say I wait here for a little bit. There we go. And then I go into that same spot. Same bit of the edge. Oh, that's the thing. They lock onto you, but they don't spot you. That I need to sort out as well. But I'm close. I'm very close. But they don't start shooting at you, at least. So that's something. So what I should be doing is going into the roof turret here. Gonna bring in this same check. And then I'm going to... I believe this is when it's trying to check the target visibility. That's when that happens. Or actually, it could also be because... when it's aiming. I should check wherever in here the target visible is called. So if target is visible and the level manager.instance.st is running, so that's when it's in a stage. Okay, that's what's triggering the shooting essentially. But no, that should be fine. But that's only if the state is not targeting. If target visible, yeah, rotate towards target. That's what's causing it. Here we go. He was looking for the place called Lee Ho Fooks. I'm going to presume that's going to be a similar error with the security bot, but I think for now this should be working fine. Should neither be getting spotted nor getting locked onto. So I think I've got this in the bag, ladies and gentlemen. Whoops, that's the wrong thing that I wanted to interact with. I did not want to read the note.
Oh.
I'm not here for lore, not today. Another day. By the way, we gotta get into a writing session at some point. For chapters 3 and potentially 4. and I've told y'all to potentially tell y'all about when I have a time. Maybe at some point tomorrow. That might be difficult though because actually no, I might not want to do tomorrow because I want to try to get a short in by that time, and I might need to potentially drive down to Skåne, southern part of Sweden, to do some other work. But potentially maybe on Friday or sometime during the weekend would be cool. Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll let y'all know probably on Friday. Or I'll let y'all know on Thursday if I have a specific time. But yeah. So I'm gonna test this now. So now I should be hiding on the edge. And look at that. Doesn't look at me. Doesn't lock onto me. This is magical. I can also test this here, I believe. Oh, well, I got the uplink there. Maybe that's not the best spot. But, like, here, potentially. Yeah, this might be a good spot to test this. Yeah, you see that? Then if I exit out, that's when you get spotted. So it actually works out. And then if I try to go in here again, it doesn't work, because I've been spotted. Wonderful. Wonderful. So the roof turret check is done. That works fine. That works completely perfectly. Now we're going to go to 2-1. Let's see if that works. So first I should check if the areas where you can potentially hide has the spots now. Yes, it does. Oh, these steel these tables should also be hiding spots, I believe. I should now the goal is also going to be just looking around for potential hiding spots. But yeah, under tables and stuff like that those should absolutely be hiding spots. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take that office desk, copy and paste that hiding spot into here. Holy shit, that is small in comparison. What the fuck? Oh, because it's 0.5, that's why. So 4, 2, 2. So now it should be about the same size. I think that size should be about fine. Yeah, I think even if you hide deep in here, that should have enough span and reach. Yeah, so that's a hiding spot, and I'm going to add that to the prefab. There we go. We got hiding spots all over the place now. Frankly, we've got hiding spots everywhere. I think I'm being too kind with the hiding spots. Too nice with it. But yeah, so even this works as a hiding spot. It's just the short end that you have to be careful for. Like if you hide under here, you'll probably get spotted because a majority of your body is still visible. But like under here, could be plausible that there's something under the table. It's probably nothing. That's just my thinking about it. Not that there's a lot of sense to it. Also, fun fact about the... I should probably hide this. Hold on. The big fuck-off canvas here is too big. This is for the teleporter. What the fuck? Hello. Come on. Is that really just going to stay there the entire time? This whole black screen? What?
Basically just said, fuck you. I'm staying here.
Yeah, I'm staying here. Yeah. Spy me. Alright, that's fine. But yeah, so this entire skybox out here, not real. It's actually just a big fuck off, like, not canvas even, but it's just a big like sort of
big fang.
Printed out model that's been sort of like the shape of it is made to feel 3D when you like move it around, so it feels like, oh, there's stuff in the background moving, but it's like fake, much like it is supposed to be like the window is like how I designed the conference room is that since it is deep underground, but they still want to give off the feeling that, you know, you're kind of upstairs and like in the regular world, they have these fake sort of skyboxes installed, essentially Sky OS, that not only, you know, gives you a nice view out, despite it not being real, it also gives you the current date and time if you need that quickly. So you don't even need a clock in here because they've got that right there. Just look out the window. That's how you see the time. Look, motherfucker. But yeah, so now I need to test to see if hiding works with the security bots. I'm going to presume there's going to be at least one issue. because that usually does happen. But hey, we'll see. We'll see. So I want to go. Well, I've been spotted. Oh God, why do you have to compile shaders now? Why now? Oh well, hold on. I need to get into a spot where I can actually hide. Can't actually hide like that without even needing to. That's the problem with these spaces, the shares. Here we go. Should not be able to spot me here. Should be completely hidden. And in fact, I believe once one of these decide to walk past, I am. Although it didn't, it walked besides here, so it didn't spot me at all. Cool, completely useless. Table. Ah, shit, I've been spotted. I was caught in the act. Bastard. Bastards. Bastards. Hey, now I should be hidden. I think I'm just about in the range. And that's like the most obvious place that they can spot me, but because I'm hidden, it should be fine. No, so they are walking over. That they are. They've got me cornered. But apart from that, it's fine because they're not targeting me.
Menacing.
Yeah, you see, they're just like, yeah, we see you.
They're just standing there.
Yeah, you see how they're looking.
Menacingly.
We see you. We see you. We know everything about your family lineage. Fuck you! Then obviously, if I try to hide in here again, yeah, I've been spotted, so that doesn't work. But yeah, I just need to do the same thing for that. Check wherever it's doing the target visible. Check. And make sure this condition is here as well. So search. Find all in current document. Apart from here, this is fine. But yeah, I need to do the same thing here. Yeah, this is the cause for the head rotation. Target visible. And this and that. I think that should be everything. Otherwise. Yep, that should be about right. Cool. I think that should solve that issue. And then that means that the functional aspect of the hiding system is actually in place. So it only took about an hour and a half to figure that out. Now we just need to sort out the UI. But I think that should be relatively simple as well. Now I need to do the check as well, just to make sure that they absolutely do not try to follow me. Yep, I'm definitely hiding. Yep, valid. Valid. That works completely as it should. Yeah, I'm incredibly well hidden. And this can allow for some potential coolness. And now if I step out... Oh, shit! They got me! Oh, come on. Slide out. Thank you. Leg out. Woo! Cool stuff. Yeah, so that, functionally, that works perfectly. So, guess what? We've got a victory. And in fact, I need to go BRB real quick, so just give me a moment.
Oh, fun.
Experiencing technical difficulties. Please stand by.
Well, I'm sorry about that. We'll come back to that report in just a minute.
I'm sorry that you're not able to be watching the news. The fact of the matter is that we've had a fire in the building and the news has had to be abandoned. For the moment...
We really take great pride in our technical excellence. We're having a little problem, but we're trying to get it fixed. Keep calm. Nothing's wrong with your set. Hey, guys, hang on. Hurry up. Whoopi, don't worry. It's going to be fixed any minute now. Hurry up. Do something.
And I'm back. Are we still friends? What? Tyler the Creator, but he's French. What is French? What's
Oui, oui.
France? Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Oui, 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 oui. All right. But yeah, it's time to work on... I just got a little call, and that's why I needed to go. But it's time to do UI. Time to do UI work. This It's going to be fun. What I'm thinking is I should probably handle the UI directly from the... I think that the simplest thing is just handling it in the hiding system in and of itself. And it gives it some use for the other variables. So I'm going to simply go here, and I'm going to put in the header UI. And I'm going to put in all the other possible things that I want to do here. So first, I should show you all at least how the UI is sort of meant to look. We already have here the sort of UI itself, and you've seen it on while I've been testing this out. But it has no functionality, so it does nothing. It just stands there. But if we go in here, of course, we have the whole UI thing itself, which consists of an image. MC Ride, but he's eating. Yo, consume. So that is a Death Grips joke. I fork the music, I make it jump. I fork the music, I eat the music with my serpent tongue. If you haven't listened to Death Grips, they've got bangers. If you're into experimental hip-hop, you'll like Death Grips. Yeah, I know, it was very funny, Arya. Very funny. That's so dumb. But yeah, it consists of the hiding UI itself, which is just an image and a canvas group. Then you have an icon for if you're hidden, an icon if you're spotted, text for if you're hiding, and text for if you're spotted. And the idea is to turn those on and off depending on what is the current condition of your hiding. So I'm going to start with the images first. Public image. Unity Engine UI. And I'm going to set that as the... Bro is making the Far Cry stealth system. I know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, my guy. Don't fix it. Stay consistent. Stay consistent about this, all right? Stay consistent. Yeah, so public image. I'm going to do this hiding UI.
Standards.
Public canvas group. Depends on what Far Cry game you're talking about. I mean, yeah, Far Cry 3, don't. Fair. It's not going to be like Far Cry 3. It's going to be a simple hiding thing. Useful, simple, nice. Nice. Just nice. I said nice. Okay, hiding canvas. I'm going to add a space, because here I'm going to have some other cool stuff. I'm going to have the icons. Public image. Hiding icon. Public image. Spotted icon. I'm going to have another space. Public TMP text. Hiding text. Public TMP text. Spotted text. Spotted. I'm going to do also public color. Hiding BG color. Public color. Spotted BG color. So that's the sort of color of the background of the UI. So if you're fine, it should be white. And then if you have been spotted, it's going to be a red with a bit of opacity to it. Victor, when are you single-handedly making Titanfall 3? What doesn't say that I'm working on Titanfall 3 right now? I could be working on it right now. Maybe the project number 3 could be Titanfall 3. 3?
Knows.
3? Project 3? Titanfall 3? You know? Confirmed? Mind blown! Start working at Respawn for real? Yo, if Respawn wants to hire me, I mean, I'd be down. Maybe I could actually make Apex Good? Yo, I single-handedly make Apex the best fucking battle royale out there. All me. Apex right now is the best it's ever been. Well, that's good. Still, Azura gets hella angry at Apex. Why doesn't stream it? Since like 8 seasons. Fair enough. By the way, apologies to y'all, but I need to make money, so here comes some ads. Let's get that bread! But yeah, so I'm going to have colors for all of that as well. I don't want to fight no more. 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 No, no, no. Shit. Alright. It says ads starting soon, but they haven't started yet. Sorry, everyone, but my advertisements seem to have fucked off.
They decided to go on break.
Yeah, give it a moment, and I shall get some money. Don't swear on the fucking street. Fuck you! Fuck you! I will swear any fucking day of the week. Have you seen the warning? Have you seen while the ads run, we're gonna have a spitting match? Have you seen the warnings on the stream? Vulgar language? You know? Fuck you. Alright. Okay, hiding UI. It should be this. Have you seen the rubber room? The rubber room? Not the
rubber room with rats.
Not the rubber room with rats. And rats make me crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. They locked me in a room. A rubber room with rats. And rats made me crazy. Crazy? I was crazy once. Sorry. I just wanted to do the meme. I wanted to do the meme. Wanted to do the meme. Oh, this is a bop. We're caught up in silence. I lose you in the grease. See you through a glass door. Hey. Sorry, I'm just grooving. Alright. So that's all of them added to that. And now it's time to do the hard work. I'm going to do hard work here. Hard labor. So, at start. In fact, I'm going to set the hiding canvas alpha to 0. It's going to be complete 0. Now, if you're hiding alpha canvas, these are going to be tweened as well. Hard labor, like what? I forced the kids in my basement to I mean, maybe. But yeah, so the hiding canvas. Oh, that's the problem with that. Now this is fine though, because I can just do update. That's fine. If is hiding canvas hiding canvas alpha equal 1. Now these are going to be tweened and animated and stuff like that to make it look nice, but I just want to get the fundamentals correct, right? Make sense? Right? Am I making sense? Please tell me I'm making sense. I want to make sense. Please tell me I'm making sense. Please. Sure. Thank you. I will go if was spotted hiding. That looks weird. I'm not trying to replace the symbol. My finger just slipped. Where's the cover of sugar? It's coming. If you ask kindly, if you ask daddy nicely, sorry.
Hey, what?
If you ask nicely, you shall maybe receive. Maybe. I will drink a little bit of Pepsi for the cause. I'm grabbing the 12 gauge if you don't. That's a threat, Aria. That's a threat. I could
This is a threat.
Report that.
Fucking
If I was an ass, I could report that to the police. And I am an ass, so I'm going to report that right now. No. Here we go. Nuh-uh.
Put like a fucking style on.
Okay. Spotted icon enabled equals true.
It's the most fucking
Hiding.
meth.
Enabled equals false. Spotted text enabled equals true. Hiding text enabled equals false. Dun 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 dun. Hiding UI color equals spotted BG color. Now, we're going to do an else. And I'm going to do the same thing here, but just the opposite. So, false. True. False. True. And this is going to be hiding background color. Cool. And that should be the UI done. So if hiding, do that. Else, hiding canvas, 0. Cool. That should work. That should work. It's not gonna look pretty. Sorry. Not gonna look pretty. But it is gonna work. So I can finally set this alpha to 0. And that should work fine. Why is that still blue? I just had to go in and out. In and out Borgir. They should call it in and out Borgir. 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 Alright, we running in. We running this. Borgir. Okay, I'm hiding. I'm not hiding anymore. I'm hiding, not hiding. Hiding. I'm hiding. I'm hiding. I am hiding. Now, they won't spot me. But if I do this... Ah, shit, I've been spotted. Oh! Did you see that? There was a bug. Because even though I told it to be... even though I told it to... set that to enabled, it actually hasn't, so it's just red. Spotted icon enabled, spotted text enabled, set that to true, hiding icon, hiding text disabled. I wonder why that happens. I do wonder. Why does that happen? Why does it pull a gamer move like that? Maybe I should check here. No, that should be fine. My theory is that they need to be maybe enabled first before it does anything. It shouldn't matter too much if they're enabled at first, since they're going to be set to the right states. You know, once it actually has to change it. So it should be fine. You let it get ya, don't fall in the mire. Yeah, it's fine. Then, let one of them chase me. Yep, there you go. That's what cost it. There you go. Now that works as it should. But I'm hiding, so you can't find me. Ha 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 ha! You big stinky idiot. All right. Cool stuff, cool stuff, cool stuff. Actually works like it should. Dope. Now, what we can do is that we can add some spicy animations to it. Yes, we can. We can add some spicy animation. Now, I am considering making the color of that UI a little bit, or like the color of the red maybe a little lower, or a little darker, because otherwise it might be hard to tell the white, what the white text is saying. I want to test that first before anything else. fun that I have. Yeah. Whoa. Spot me, spot me, spot me. Yeah, you see, now that's a lot better to see. A lot more legible, at least. Haha, I'm fine. I'm fine. You can't even get to me from there. Haha. I'm with idiot. Yeah, no, that's fine. That works. That works. Clean-headed. Clean-headed. Fantano vibes. But yeah, so no, that works fine. Now what I can do is, if I want to, I can tween some animations just to make it a little smooth and nice. Make the transitions a little smooth and nice. If I want. Now, do I? Do I want to do that? Yes. I give this game a strong 5. Strong 5 to light 6. Strong 5 to light 6. That would be nice. Strong 5, light 6 even, potentially. To a light 6. Please? Please? Yeah, sure. Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for.
That's what I've been waiting for.
Yes.
That's what it's all about.
Color. That's what it's all about. Hiding UI color. Set that to spot color. I'm going to do this, at least. So that could be nice. Not that I think it makes that much of a difference, but, you know, just because I can. Lost in the abyss. All right, I'm going to do that. Game tools. Oh, this doesn't have access to game tools. I should probably fix that. Using. Just keep running. Tools. Game tools. Delta time. Yes, by the way, I have my own namespaces for just keep running because I am professional with it. Yeah, not that I think that's gonna make too much of a difference, but it's just nice to have that there. Hiding BG color, and I'll set this. I'll times it by 5, so it's not too slow. Cool shit, cool shit. Champagne, bitch, I do my damn thing. And then what I'm thinking I can do is that I can do lean tween. To do a little animation where the sort of UI of it slides upwards in and then fades out downwards as well when exiting out. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna try to do that at least. I want to test this out first with hiding canvas. That one I can simply lerp upwards to 1. That's easy. Math F lerp. I'm gonna do hiding canvas alpha up to 1. Float. Gonna do game tools. Delta time times, let's go 5 on that as well. And I'll do the same thing down here. And lerp that down to 0. And these should just hopefully work. Unless I've royally fucked up on this, which is completely possible.
Royal fucky-wucky.
Yeah, it's a royal fucky-wucky. Assembly for assembly definition file will not be compiled because that's no script. Okay, that's for the LED. That's fine. Cool. If I enter in, that should work, and that animation should slide in whenever I try to go into hiding. Yeah, come on. Let's get in there. Get in there. Let's get some work done. Yes, indeed. It does fade in. Might be a little too slow for my liking, but we can adjust that in the script. I'll do that by 10 this time. Script. I'll probably do the same thing for the color as well. Cool. Dope stuff, dope stuff. And then I can sort out the tweening later on. Yes. And I think I've done some tweening for the player UI, so I can use that as a sort of reference, just to make sure it matches with the style of the game generally. Yeah, hide in there. Yeah, that's fast enough. I like that. I like that. And then if you are spotted and you try to go into hiding, it does that as well. Cool. Dope, dope. Ooh, shit. Don't work. Oh, you big stinky idiot. Alright, but yeah, that works. That works fine. Like, it's not perfect, but I think it's a good start, at least. I'd argue. Yeah, I'm gonna pull up the enemy... not the enemy, the player UI. And see how I handle that, pretty much. In-game UI, player UI, just to see how I handle the tweening and how it should generally look. I believe I should be using lean tween in here. Some stuff, yeah. At the start, lean tween for the alpha canvas. Yep. That's basic, that's basic. Another world. In another world in the universe. No, I know for certain one thing that I've tweened, which is the it's the UI for whenever you're hovering over something that you can potentially pick up. The interaction UI. Here we go. This one, I should probably have something for, unless it's handled by the by this as well. Which could potentially be the case. Just need to double check. Interaction holder. Text, all that good stuff. Should probably check. Interactables. Pick up in the kit. No, that's just for that. I guess, is that handled by the player? No, it's not by a player interaction. Function interactable. Dun 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 dun. I'm gonna do some look into how I've handled this previously. Get description. Right. Yeah, that makes sense. It handles that by regular eye interactable thing there. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Ass out here with the posture check. Thank you very much. Let's actually adjust this a little bit. There we go. There we go. So now I'm sitting good. Sitting good. We've got the hiding system working, by the way, as if you want to know. I'm just trying to set up the UI now so that it looks a little nice. You made it so only one person could redeem hydrate once a stream. Oh, really? Have I done that now? Hold on. Let me check. Hold on. That's just... Hold on. I don't think that... Huh? Have I now? Have I... I think I've potentially fucked up my redeems.
Yes, you have.
Manage redeems. Here we go. Only one per person. Oh, man. Hold on. Let me... Okay, I'm fixing this right now. Hydrate. Yeah, why is that... Hold on. No, I didn't want that fucking limit. Limit redemptions per stream. It's per stream as well. That's bad. No, that's not at all what I wanted to do. Yeah, it's for this as well. Yeah, set that to 0. Why was that amount even there? That's dumb. Because it's not in any else of these. Well, no, it's on there for ads, but that's fine. Also, who joined?
Technical difficulties.
Yes, indeed.
Yes.
Welcome in.
I'm just gonna sit there and listen to the background noise, but I'm also paying attention.
Sounds good. Okay, no, I've set these up now so that you should be able to redeem those multiple times now. There's just now
I got you if you're being.
Yes, thank you.
In a VC. Oh, all right. We're in one of my private.
In one of the studios.
Yeah, if you want to just hop in, I could just drag you up.
Gotten the guest
Jesus.
pass to the
Jesus
studio.
Christ. I rarely, burp. Not burp, but, hiccup. I just had a spontaneous one right there. That's intense.
Blah.
Hello. Blah. Blah.
Just, welcome to the studio.
Aria has gotten the guest pass to the studio.
The guest
Have
pass?
I?
Yeah, the
Yes.
guest pass
VIP
has
access.
been handed.
God.
Oh,
Anyway,
Jesus.
Thanks for taking the time of the day to watch me break your game even more.
Oh, it's no worries, my guy.
That wall surfing is actually
I
really
love
fun.
watching people break my game to absolute shreds. It doesn't make me depressed at all.
No. Just like what I did when I first got my hands on the game.
Oh yeah, you know.
I thought honestly though, it's really fun, learning that stuff.
Yeah, no, absolutely.
I didn't even realize wall surfing was a thing, but I was like, hang on, the magnetism of the run is allowing me to wiggle
Yeah.
a little bit. So I was like,
Yeah.
I am currently multitasking.
Oh, are you?
There we go.
I am checking my bank every 30 minutes, and then I'm Fortnite EXP farming, and I'm also playing Guitar Hero.
Nice.
I have ADHD. I shouldn't be able to do this.
What the hell? How are you doing this?
Multitasking? Impossible. Speaking of multitasking, I'm going to open up my Premiere Pro and get on with this.
Sounds
video.
good. But yeah, so something akin to this, pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, because what it's doing is it's doing the start of X minus 50, setting the time. Yeah, okay, makes sense.
Oh, I have been given the warning. I might be receiving drunk texts if I'm not careful.
You might be you might be receiving drunk texts. That's a fucking threatening message right there. So what do you mean?
Navi's getting hammered tonight.
Oh shit!
Oh boy!
Yeah,
all right.
Chance I might be getting drunk.
Let's pray for Navi's safety.
No, she'll be fine. I think
She'll be
just
fine.
getting hammered
What? Where's Navi in chat, by the way? Navi! Navi!
Let me see.
Sorry, what was that yell?
No, I don't think she's here. She's been she's more or less kind of stepped back from pretty much everything.
Yeah,
Just,
yeah, no, fair enough.
Basically, giving us some space.
Yeah.
Can
Let's take our time.
I have a hypothetical.
Can you
play Siege while having Fortnite open?
No.
No.
Why not?
Your PC will burst into
No.
flames.
I'll try it.
The fuck you mean? No.
I get 300 FPS on Siege. If I drop 20 or 50 FPS, I don't think I'd care.
Okay. Do you think
Maybe it works.
I care. I care about your computer
I care
safety.
because you do.
Nice.
Yo, who the
Aphex
fuck
Twin.
cares?
Aphex Twin.
The
Aphex Twin
Apex
vibe.
Twin.
All right.
Who's the second legend? What?
Why does that work? That makes no sense.
It doesn't. You're just hallucinating. Wake
yeah,
up.
Yeah, exactly. Wake up. Hiding UI starting Y.
Reward is on cooldown? What do you
That
mean?
should be set to
Oh, you
hiding.
talk about the hydrate?
Why? No, also posture check.
Yeah.
Wait, what are y'all fucking looking at the redeems now?
Yeah, why is it on cooldown for an hour?
Because I don't want people spamming hydrate and drowning me in
going-
Pepsi. That's why it's there. Not the grapefruit technique. That's literally what.
That sounds like me when I download
Hold on, let me-
Monster in a single go.
Sounds good.
Fucking.
Oh my god.
Jesus.
I already have a clip on my shadow, which is heard. That's it's so
Is that
good.
really her doing that?
Yeah, legit.
As a
I should not have done the hand moves.
Faithful recreate. Oh no, your most popular clip is faithful recreation of the jump.
That's not my most popular clip, I think.
I think it is.
No, no, not like maybe in the last 30 days.
As a faithful lesbian, I need to learn that technique. It's fine.
It's, no, I know what it is. Your feature clip is the no upgrades world record before you update.
That's the top feature clip, but I think even before that is Dank doing the Moore shoe.
Oh, why Siege on my second monitor? Why is Siege tall?
Why is why is Siege tall?
No, it's because my. The fuck?
Why?
Yo, I need to screenshot this. What the fuck?
Oh no! What happened?
It's goofy as shit, bro.
Is it? Did it pull a goofy?
I'm gonna put it in. Can I just post it like this without my Discord actually having a stroke? Oh my god! I'm gonna put it in media.
What have you done now? I'm afraid of what she's done.
Give me a sec. I got an idea.
We should all be afraid.
I'm just gonna quickly add that.
Look in media.
Anchored position. That's how you do it.
What the fuck?
Oh, but it can't. Wait, hold on. Rect transform.
Oh yes, stretch gameplay of fucking Siege.
Yeah, not. I have my game stretched the other way, not that way.
What did?
Wrong way.
Is that how your Siege looks? Also, why do you have Fortnite open in the background?
Because EXP farming.
Oh, fair enough.
AFK stuff.
But this, okay, so for the people on stream, this is how Arya set up. Okay, so this is her right monitor, which is normal. This is her left monitor, which is vertical. That is how Siege looks. The text is squished to all shit. Dolby Digital? Hold on. You're telling me? Sorry, you're telling me Siege has Dolby Digital sound?
Yes.
Surround sound.
You can have Dolby Atmos while playing on console.
No.
You may drop a few FPS.
No. It has digital surround. Great.
Wait, what do I have access to? What? Huh?
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Oh.
Alright.
It looks even worse now since the menu's loaded.
Oh, good stuff.
I can't post images. No.
I am accidentally following Dokibird, and I'm perfectly fine with this.
Okay, I'm putting it back in
Who are you
media.
accidentally following?
Dokibird.
What is that?
Don't worry about it.
Alright, fine.
Oh.
Fine. I should be worried, but, you know.
It's just a VTuber.
Ah, yes.
Bro, that's fine.
Fucking...
Look back in fucking media.
Oh, God.
Fucking Arya Siege is literally been fucking put into the hydraulic press sideways.
Yeah, it's been compressed. So
can I change my display?
That is horrible.
Asus VP247. What
yeah,
the fuck is that?
That is a horrible.
There you go. Now it's fine.
Is it?
It's fine now.
It's fine. Oh, it says the
on my
anchor
main
position.
monitor now.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Fuck.
And a happy new piss.
I can't talk right
And a happy new piss.
I can't talk right now.
Okay, so that's when it's entering, and that's when it's
whatever
exiting.
you can see.
Sorry, I hate y'all so much.
No, let's chill out. Let's chill out. This is the dev stream. We need to be respectful.
We need to be chill. We need to chill.
We are chilling. I am big chilling.
Oh, someone's not chill.
So let's open up Apex Legends real quick.
Oh, now you're gonna you're gonna be chilling now.
Let's get something out of the way. Stream women. All right.
Women.
Women.
Should they have?
We love
our women here. We love our women here.
You're gay. Shut up.
Fuck you.
I know I love mine. So.
Hey, there you go. English position. Y plus 50. I don't need to do a plus plus.
I sound like a dork. Every time I do that, I sound like a dork.
You don't sound like a dork.
I know, but I sound like a love-struck puppy.
You just love. Sorry. Image could not contain. Oh, I need to do rect transform. I'm going to do a rectal transformation right now.
What the fuck?
You see, testicular torsion casters.
Sorry.
On a rectile transformation cast.
Sorry. You don't need to tell me about this.
Our word.
People here are having their lunches here. People watching the stream are having their lunch.
I'm so sorry, everybody. Do not vomit.
Do not vomit.
Do not vomit. I repeat, vomiting is bad for your health. Instead,
Oh,
I would recommend.
what a surprise!
Power word,
instead
crush.
I would recommend. Drink
Rocking
some water.
a little gold chain.
Drink some water. Wash your face.
I told you it's fucking fake.
Drink some Sunny D if you need to.
Yo, Aria.
Oh, okay.
Aria, you a fan of Viagra Boys?
What?
You don't know what Viagra Boys is?
No.
The Swedish punk band?
No.
What the fuck? I mean, they're playing in the background right now, so if you want to enjoy yourself, go ahead. What the fuck?
Oh my god. Why is Roland Kevin Hart?
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, go to the end.
Claptrap is Jack Black, bro.
Bro, I've been told by Burb that I should check the trailer, and I've told Brock has told me that the trailer is so horrible.
What, for the Borderlands movie?
Yes.
What did you think?
Who the fuck is Tenants?
That bit, I don't know.
What did you think of Borderlands, bro? It's gonna be terrible for the comedic effect.
Yeah, that's how you know it's good.
Oh, of course, they got fucking Tiny Tina in there.
Yeah, of course, and it's by some actor that I've heard of maybe once in my entire life.
Once in my entire life.
There's no fucking way.
Is it really that bad?
No, I need to look at this.
Is it really that bad? I think
it actually is. I haven't seen it.
I think y'all are fucking with me. It can't be that bad.
Kate Blanchett, Kevin Hart, and Jack Black.
It can't be that bad, right?
It's like the Mario movie again.
Like the trailer's gonna suck ass, but the movie's gonna be like, yeah, it's fine.
Oh my god!
It's made by the same person who made the Last of Us TV series.
So then it should be good. That should be good. The TV series was good.
It doesn't guarantee anything.
Well, no.
Spotted by scan. Where's the camera? Make a good game, Ubisoft. Holy shit.
Sorry, is my game better than Ubisoft's right now?
I think so, yeah. Better than Siege? Yeah, any game is better than Siege.
Well, yeah, fair. Yeah, that kind of works. It pops out.
Go back through that fucking door, you piece of shit. I will one-tap you.
Oh, I got one.
Exactly, bitch.
Well, I got one tapped in game.
What? Never mind, I got one tap back. Okay.
What the hell? What is this? What is this? BS.
Man, what the fuck?
Man, what the hell?
Man, what the hell? My God.
My God, no way. Okay, and it goes to the normal stuff. Yep. So that does kind of work. I want to go into the player UI to see if I use lean tween anywhere else.
Rainbows mix beach.
In a way that might be useful to know. No, just that one. Because I think there are some ways that I can improve on that a little bit. Yeah, I'm a savage. Really cool. That's mostly the...
Yeah, I'm a sad bitch.
That's the sound manager. The check mark. That's the alpha canvas.
Why is Dank now playing Geometry Dash?
Changing the button color. Yo, because he wants to rage.
Fire in the hole!
He wants to
Fire in the hole!
He wants to get
lobotomy.
hella pissed. He wants to get hella angry.
How do you get pissed at GD?
You get angry sometimes.
No, I have 4,000 hours on the game, man. Come on, you don't get angry.
Well, good for you. Good for you. Good
you
for
just kind of become better, you know? I just hit the wall with my sledgehammer.
You become better. Yeah. I wish.
Are they in Maine?
I wish I got better.
Wish I knew better.
I wish I knew better. No, that should work fine.
That was by far the
That just
worst
hides it.
fucking trailer I have ever seen.
That's honestly the worst trailer you've seen? It surely can't.
And I thought the Postal movie was bad.
The Postal movie, in
It's
retrospect, is
horrible.
pretty good.
What? No.
It's actually very faithful to the series, though.
That's the problem.
Oh, right.
That's the problem. The thing is, here's what they've done. they've pretty much said, oh yeah, Lilith is here. Where the fuck's her siren powers? Eh? Are they gonna make it so? Are they gonna make it like some bullshit where it's gonna be a main plot point, even though everyone knows, everyone who watches Borderlands are gonna be Borderlands fans that know that there are 6 sirens in the Borderlands universe. Lilith is one of them.
All right, I'm gonna let them ramble.
Fuck. Sorry.
Nice.
I'm pissed off because it's like, come on, you have such a rich world
man.
and you pick fucking Kevin Hart as Roland.
Nothing wrong with Kevin playing.
Except
in a
Roland
movie.
is probably one of the biggest badasses.
Yeah,
in
he
Borderlands.
really is.
Sure. Aren't you saying Kevin Hart can be a badass? I mean,
Yeah, if he's not used for comedic effect.
I mean, he was a badass to his wife.
Roland.
Sorry, I made a joke regarding how he had a relationship outside of his marriage. He legitimately
Get in the
did.
bin. Just get
Okay.
in the bin.
I apologize.
Borderlands trailer.
So I would have to put this. I'd have to explain this in fucking nerd terms, wouldn't I?
Okay, so no, that's the notification, right? Makes sense.
But yeah, I can safely say that I am somewhat disappointed. I am disappointed. I'm just disappointed. I ain't even mad. I'm just disappointed.
Right. That's valid.
That's it.
That's valid.
That's it.
That's valid.
That's just it.
Valid.
Okay.
All right.
How do I even feel about it? Well, just no. Just no. Anything. Anything.
No.
Just no.
No. No, not having it. Not having it.
This has... I can't see the dislikes,
Okay.
but it has 241,000 views and 14,000 likes.
Okay. I have a little thing. I have a thing for my Chrome where I can see the dislikes.
I have Opera. Hold
Wait,
on.
are you talking about the one with the Lionsgate movie post?
Yeah.
It has 10k dislikes.
Compared to 15k.
Compared to
Yeah.
15k.
So that's
damn.
So that's
That's actually really bad.
yeah, that's so it's, okay, so it's a 1 in 5 thing. So 3 out of 5 I think 2 in 5 people dislike the trailer.
Yeah.
Yeah, if my numbers are correct.
Yeah,
and
no,
3
pretty much.
And 3 in 5 people.
Tiny Tina
like the
just
trailer.
looks hilarious.
Tiny Tina.
Looks hilarious.
The thing is, are they going to remember the fact that she was born on Pandora and the fact that and this is something major regarding Tina's character.
I mean,
her parents were part of slag experiments done by Hyperion.
Sorry, spoilers.
It was during Borderlands 2.
Still spoilers.
A game from 2012.
I haven't played it.
Well, you should. It's a good game.
It's a really good game.
I should.
It's a really, really good game.
Is the first one good?
Yeah.
Yeah, the first one's good. Just a little bit boring, I'd say.
Okay.
It has a story.
Is the third one good?
Story-wise, no. Gameplay-wise, yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Gameplay-wise, the best in the series.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, story-wise, it's cringe.
Story-wise, it's just they
Cringe.
ramped the comedic effect up to 200.
Okay. The only reason I know of Borderlands is because I quite liked Poker Night at the Inventory, and Claptrap is one of the playable characters. Really
And
funny.
you got to see Steve.
Or not playable. Yes, not playable character, but one of the characters you can you go against in the second
Claptrap's voice.
game, I believe.
Claptrap's voice actor is fucking in
Poker Night at the
Warframe.
Inventory was such a vibe, by the way.
It was.
They
Oh,
should
yeah, we need-
they should do a new one, but you can select. You can have multiple characters that you can select and that can interact with each other and stuff like that. I know that would be very hard to make, but imagine.
Can I just hear that right? Claptrap's voice actor is in Warframe.
Yes, he is. If you
Who
go
the
into one of the arenas matches, you can hear him.
Wait, Jack Black is in Warframe?
No, the actual from the game.
Sorry. I just got excited there. 'Cause I thought,
No, the actual from the games.
I mean, that would be cool as well. That'd be really cool.
Warframe Mobile is a fucking disaster, by the way.
Is it?
It does not run. Even on the iPhone 15
Oh,
Pro.
it's okay. Sorry, that's fucked.
So what? It's basically brickware.
Basically.
Okay,
I mean,
so hold on.
It runs
This is
at
fucked.
25 FPS on my iPhone 10. It's playable, just you wouldn't want to play it for hours.
It's playable, but you wouldn't want.
You also can't connect your Warframe account yet.
Oh, lovely.
So what you're saying is it's playable, but you're probably better off You're probably better off hooking up a Dell Inspiron laptop.
I actually have one of those.
You're probably better off hooking up an old Dell Inspiron laptop to like one of those old projector machines and playing off of that.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Pretty
I actually have a Dell Inspiron laptop or whatever.
Really?
I tried to play JKR on it. That's the laptop that was rusting and overheating.
Did it actually run?
Barely.
Barely? Come on.
I had to run it on Linux.
I have a minimum spec. I have a new minimum specs now.
Yeah, well, it doesn't run on that. It's way below that.
Okay, fair enough.
It has 2 gigabytes of RAM, man. Come on. It's used for school and barely that even.
And just barely you could run Just Keep Running.
Really? But I wouldn't want to play it in school anyways if they have 3090s on
that's completely fair. That's completely fair. Oh man. That's really funny, I think. Last known position. Because it does check the it does set the position.
Wee!
Because if it does the it should probably also do
Fortnite.
If
I really wish I had a good shock weapon right now, but I need this mono. I am playing Borderlands 3, but that's kind of why I'm showing.
Fortnite.
Nice. So
Okay,
So if not,
I told you I could pick a good game to chill with, guys. I'm not that stupid.
You're not that dumb. So if not hiding.
So anyway, the thing is with Borderlands, the Borderlands movie is the fact it's like, I don't know who the hell the villain is, and I swear if that is Handsome Jack, I'm gonna be very annoyed.
It's not handsome. It's 100% not gonna be Handsome Jack. This does not feel like Borderlands 2.
It doesn't. It's you know it's like a weird mix of Borderlands 1 and 2.
I like how they're talking about something I haven't yet watched, but they're treating it like it's the worst fucking thing. Like y'all still know that Demon Dice exists. Like no.
You know that Morbius is a movie, right?
Sorry, Morbius is.
Morbius is a movie. Yes.
No, I know Morbius is a movie, but I thought you literally said Morbius was in Borderlands.
No.
Could you imagine Jared Leto playing a fucking Borderlands character?
I mean, who knows? Who knows? You never know. You never know. Maybe they thought, hey, goofy guy, let's bring him on.
Goofy guy literally runs. Oh wait, no, he'd actually be perfect for it.
Yeah.
Because isn't 30 Seconds to Mars like legally considered a cult now?
Oh. That's a good question. Now that I think about it.
Because he did say, yes, it's a cult.
He publicly admits it's a cult.
What do you give me? The Lob? Ooh, that's actually a really
Why'd they forget the actor that portrayed Krieg, lol? He's not even credited.
What? Okay, the LARPing is acting a little weird here. I'm gonna have to sort this out.
So yeah, if you really want to know, if you want a good introduction to the game, if you want a good introductory game to the Borderlands universe, just play Borderlands 2.
Just Borderlands 2?
Just play Borderlands 2.
But do I not miss the context of Borderlands 1?
No.
No?
There's barely a story.
There's barely a story to the first one?
Yeah, but the first one's still good gameplay-wise.
Yeah.
It just feels really empty at, like, almost the end of the game.
Here's my question.
Varrock said double version. Look in media shot.
I
Nice.
have to go. Someone's calling me and I need to join.
Double version.
All right.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
All right. Goodbye.
Back now.
Okay.
All right. All right. What are we thinking, boys?
More game dev.
More game dev. More game dev. I was busy. I'm busy.
I think we had enough. I think we've had enough of like mine and Arya's goofy R's rambling.
Yeah. All right. Here we go. And that's
so
for me.
So as where were we? Oh yeah. So what exactly are you trying to accomplish, Victor?
What I'm trying to accomplish right now?
Yes.
I'm just trying to fix the sort of animation on the hiding UI, because right now the tweening is a little wonky.
Okay.
So that's mostly what I'm working on right now.
So just
can I?
My goofy are
Doesn't
sending
this
a
have, no,
a
it doesn't.
yottabyte zip bomb to to a guy with a Neuralink.
What did he say?
Kaboom!
Sorry, what did he say?
Me sending a yottabyte zip bomb to a fucking Neuralink user.
Oh no, that's how you kill someone. That's how you kill someone.
I mean, fun fact for those that want to know, the average capacity of a human brain is like 3.4 zettabytes, yottabytes.
That's a lot of bytes.
Is that a monarch? Yo, I got a monarch.
That's so what you're telling us is that we can store a lot of information in our brain.
Yeah.
Oh,
The
yeah.
human mind is still the most powerful computer in the world.
Exactly. Take that, AI! You will never
doesn't
replace me. You will never replace my brain.
But it does have its limitations of it basically
Dementia.
degrades with years.
Yeah, dementia. Dementia,
No,
really.
the problem is the human mind is the most powerful computer in the world. The only problem is teenage years exist.
What did you say?
The teenagers and kids exist.
Well, yes. There's
If we were able to pop out fully developed with all the good information that we need,
Yes.
we would actually be very productive as a species.
we would be very productive.
But no.
No.
No. But no.
Nah. Nah.
Just straight up just no.
No. No. We don't. We don't. We don't. We don't. Yeah, it takes time. It takes time. Yeah, you have to cook them in the oven a little bit, and then it's fine.
Oh God, I think I know a couple of bakeries, and they ain't very good.
That's a season of Bake Off that I'd watch.
Yeah.
Yes, the Great British Bake Off baby making edition.
Can someone request me to wear another hat? I've had enough of the classic hat. Does someone have enough to redeem me for another one? I like this hat. I like this one, but I want another hat on me.
Fuck it.
Ragged. All right, we got this.
Ragged.
All right, we going.
I seem to be absolutely killing it with the boss fight right now. Boom, boom.
We're going for the Ragged vibe.
I want to get I want to get an electric monarch.
All right, baby. I'm out here ragging. Tjena bror. All right.
You see the bror. Jävlar.
Jävlar. What the fuck was that?
Average flak gameplay.
Average what gameplay? Black.
Flak.
Oh, plaque.
Flak is one of the Vault
Oh,
Hunters.
flak. I thought you said black.
No.
I was like, okay. Cool.
Okay, I sadly now have to hop off to go sleep.
Okay.
So, I'll see y'all later, and goodbye, and goodbye, chat.
Goodbye, goodbye. Say goodbye to Dank. Say goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye, Dank.
Bye, Dank. Bye-bye. What a loser.
Yeah, fuck that guy.
Yeah, fuck that guy. I love that man. Love that man.
We love that man too.
We love that man.
Bro, we love that man. He's a Chad.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. You know, he is. He is. He very much is.
You know,
what do you say about me, you bitch? Nothing. No.
You know he has access to this chat. You can come back and scream at us, right?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I was never here. I was never here.
Jav.
Never here. Ah, fuck. Okay. Okay. I need to pull.
He's been found out, chat.
Yeah. I'll fly to Vorbe and skin you alive. Yeah. You won't thank. Before you do that, let me just readjust myself. I'd pull a gamer move. Oh Jesus! I almost slipped on the cable. There you go. That was very silly of me. Someone please don't clip that. Don't. Because I will look stupid.
All
right. What I'm thinking, I could, instead of tweening it, you know, I could also lerp it. Because I'm having some issues with tweening kind of coming in a little bit late here. Which is goofy. It is goofy.
I understand why the Monarch is used now.
Why do you understand why the Monarch is used?
I'm gonna put this in layman's terms.
Uh-huh.
This weapon just does nothing but split all its bullets.
Oh, good.
It has 4 extra damage, and I'm able to randomly crit with a thing.
Nice. Okay, I have a potential idea of why that's happening, because that's happening multiple times, and it's going back to that plus 50, which is not supposed to be the case. So what I should be doing, it should be happening once. So what I should be doing, I can do a enum real quick. Anim state. Entering, exiting. And that's about it. And then private.
And apparently I'm able to instantly refill my I'm able to instantly refill my skill with this weapon.
All right, cool.
Which is essentially guaranteed crits when I go invisible. So I'm hitting guaranteed crit damage.
Okay.
Constantly. And I'm able to constantly refresh it because everything's critting.
Okay.
So constant uptime for critical damage DPS, meaning I'm able to probably two-shot boss, able to two-cycle any boss in this game.
I don't know what that means, but that's cool.
Basically, health bars drop. They disappear.
It drops. It just dies. Cool.
Yep, it just dies.
Good to know. Good to know.
Very epic, not to add.
Okay, so, and then state equals anim state entering. And then I'll do the complete opposite here for the other one. Entering. There we go. And then exiting. Oh, fuck, I didn't do... So, another thing that I'm used to now in GDScript, now that I've been working on it in a while, is that I don't need to do the semicolon at the end. But in C# you do. So I sometimes forget that. But I'm getting back to it. That might work, because that should just trigger it once. And then it should just run. And that should solve that issue at least, I think. Maybe that wasn't the issue in the first place. Maybe it's just that lean tween can sometimes be weird. I don't know. Lean tween has worked out fine so far, though. So I just want to check. Oh, you piss baby. Not what I wanted.
Baby.
Not you. Oh.
Okay, good.
Oh, I'm literally stuck under the table. Cool. Oh, that's an issue. It's not completely doing that. Yeah, because that's part of that. That it should not be doing. It should be doing it outside. Otherwise, that should be working fine. I think. So now I should have the animations done for that as well. So, ladies and gents, the functionality of the hiding system is now in place. I've wanted this in for a while. I couldn't get it done because I was on a deadline for Chapter 2. But now it's in. So if you all want to stealth this shit, next update, you shall. You shall be able to do more stealth moves.
Oh.
Oh.
So I just double-checked the unique ability for the Monarch. It fires 4 bullets in a crown pattern, and if I switch to bipod mode, it doubles that to 8. This thing spits lead. A lot.
Yeah. Okay, but it seems to be doing something wrong with the upwards animation, which is a little odd.
It seems to be
doing
by far one of the coolest rifles I've ever seen.
It seems to be doing it a little silly.
Yeah, it's easily one of the nicest rifles I have.
Okay, now this should not work. This should not be correct.
Sorry, I'm big in the.
Sorry, are you feeling a little silly now still?
I'm feeling a little bit silly as
well. A little silly is all you're doing. Okay, he's in silly goofy gamer vibes. Can I increase the user volume a little bit on you there? There we go. Cool.
I'm feeling the good silly goofy.
The good silly. As long as it's good silly, it's perfectly acceptable silly.
Yes, perfectly acceptable silly.
Okay.
I'm just glad you finally got some UI stuff done. I think one of the big things when it came to JKR is like the gameplay's solid, but I think a lot of its issues come from like the lack of readability in certain cases.
Yeah. Which I have been trying to work around a little bit.
Yeah, which I think was by far one of its biggest weaknesses.
But I have but I have the especially when accessibility-wise, and I have the dyslexia setting.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You're making a lot of right steps, especially when you're getting all it in place now. So you start working on the bigger game.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, exactly.
Everything's there, ready to go.
Yeah, but that's what happens when you get good feedback as well. You pick up on stuff that you wouldn't have noticed before, and so long as you're willing to go through and implement the stuff that people are asking for, then fucking A. If so long as it suits what you're trying to do, and it improves the gameplay for the majority of people, then I think it's a positive step to take, and it leads to a better game, hopefully, at the end of the day.
Yeah.
So yeah, but I'm feeling pretty happy with that. I've been streaming for almost 3 hours now. I'm feeling happy just leaving it there.
Yeah.
On a positive note, I have the UI
very positive note
done for that. Yeah, very done. I actually got that shit done. So I'm going to put that as done on the Trello.
You would love to see it.
And I need to also now again set up a new changelog to keep track of that, because I have the 2.2.0 one previously. So for now, I'm going to set that to 2.3.0. I mean, I'm not planning on doing bug fixing. I shouldn't need to do bug fixing anytime soon. So I think most of the updates are going to be minor, because I'm just going to keep implementing cool features. Because the hot fixes, because the last number is for hot fixes, which is just bug fixes. So if there's an issue with the previous minor or major update, that stuff gets fixed in there essentially. But usually they're also put together with a lot more larger updates and implementations. So it just happens that they all kind of end up getting bundled together into a minor update rather than
fair enough, man.
Rather than a hotfix. But yeah, I'm going to add that to added hiding function. Hold on, here we go. I think what I need to do now as well is go through the game and find potential places where a hiding spot would be beneficial, and then add them. Because
you can add that onto the pipeline then.
Yeah. And I might just do that off stream, but I'm feeling good now, and I need to eat something, so that's why I feel it's perfect time to
go grab a bite to eat. Dude.
Yeah, but I just need to write this down so that I don't forget.
Yep.
You can now hide under certain. You can now hide behind / under certain furniture / obstacles. And be completely hidden from enemies so long as they haven't spotted you entering that hiding spot. Hiding spot. I'll set this as hiding. There we go. You can now hide behind / under certain furniture / obstacles, and be completely hidden from enemies so long as they haven't spotted you entering that hiding spot. This should be beneficial to players who prefer to play the game more stealthily.
Sorry, it's just I'm now starting to get the drunk texts.
Oh no, you're getting the drunk text. Okay, so
no, I am.
I'm praying for Navi's safety, and I'm gonna end the stream there.
And you know she doesn't have alcohol tolerance.
No. Anyways, thank you all for watching, whether that be live or on the VOD. I want to shout outs to Aria for being fucking sick and doing it giving a tier 1 sub and also the 1-bit. Yeah, it's fun to see that the affiliate benefits are coming through.
Yep.
But yeah, that's it for me, and I hope you all have a good rest of your day. I might do another stream either tomorrow or on Friday, potentially. We'll see. Depends on how I'm feeling, but and what I've got going on. But yeah, that's about it for me. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Peace!
Sky Soap returns at midday tomorrow. Coming up next, the History Channel.
And with a final look at the weather forecast, that brings broadcasting to a close from BBC Scotland and 2. BBC Radio will keep you company throughout the night. We're back tomorrow morning at 7:20. We look forward to your company then. In the meantime, thanks for your company today. On behalf of all of us here at Broadcasting House, this is Colin McIntyre saying good night.
That's it from UK TV Bright Ideas. We're closing down now. You'll still be able to find your favourite lifestyle programmes on UK TV Style, Food and Gardens.
TCC will be back tomorrow at 6 a.m. with Dennis, Batman and Art Attack.
All too soon, the weekend is over. We hope you had a good one though. For now, good night, and hopefully see you tomorrow.
That's it for us tonight. As you've heard, an exciting beginning for a brand new channel is only hours away. BBC 4 starts this evening at 7 o'clock. We look forward to what's to come, but from all of us here at BBC Knowledge, it's good night and goodbye.
We're sorry that due to ITV Digital Services closing, you'll be unable to watch UK Gold, UK Style, UK Horizons or Play UK on ITV Digital after 7 o'clock on Wednesday morning.
Today draws to a close. Tomorrow, Jason Bradbury is driving the sausage of knowledge into the soft bap of ignorance. His words, not mine. In Front Room at 9:30.
At 1:40 tonight on Sky Movies, there's Horror from Hell, when we meet the aliens. But right now, we wish you all pleasant dreams and a very good night.
Smoking in bed is like lighting a slow fuse. Don't do it.